Hi, I'm George, the weather dad, and we have some rain coming in, and that's good news because temperatures are going to be warm enough so we're not going to see any snow for your Wednesday, Thursday, or at least Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And it looks like it's going to be kind of heavy at times as we could see some thunderstorms out there. So temperatures are going to be well above normal. Right now, we're looking at mid 40s for our normal high temperatures, and that's good news. But that system that's going to give us some rain is really going to blow up and produce a massive winter storm for the mid-Atlantic region up into New England, where they could be looking at maybe a couple feet of snow in some places for them, but not for us. I think Friday's going to be reasonably dry. The next system is going to come in, and that's what's going to tap some colder air for us on Saturday. Could it bring a little bit of snow? Could for the Ohio Valley, but I think right now most of the snow is going to be northern half of Indiana and Ohio. Certainly the Great Lakes is going to pick up some snow. But this system over the weekend is what's going to give us some much colder air. Right now, again, our normal highs are in the mid 40s. We'll be dropping down, I think, into the 30s for the afternoon highs, possibly on Monday and Tuesday of next week, followed by a possible next system coming in by next Wednesday. But we're in a kind of a yo-yo weather pattern where now we're looking at more of a westerly flow of air, which is going to give us some warmer air and then some colder air, and it's going to flip back and forth. But right now, I do not see any prolonged cold periods, and based on what we have just lived through, that's not so bad. So again, it's going to be wet for the next couple of days, and then the next system over the weekends what's really going to tap in some very cold air for the Ohio Valley and the Midwest. I'm George, the weather dad.